Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 11. This is Section 4.10, Problem 11. It says 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. Michael weighs 187 pounds. What is his weight in kilograms? So, what we want to do is take the given quantity, 187 pounds, and multiply that by a funny 1. Now that 1 will have to have pounds in the denominator in order to make the pounds cancel, and I want kilograms to show up instead. So 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So if I do that math, I'll get Michael's weight in kilograms. So I have pounds in the numerator, pounds in the denominator. They'll cancel, and the units that are left are kilograms. Now to do that math, it gives me 187 over 2.2, and my units of measure will be kilograms. Now that's not math you can typically do in your head, so I would use a calculator. Enter the numerator of 187 first, press the division button on your calculator, enter the denominator of 2.2, press equals. And the answer you'll get, the calculator will tell you 85. And again, you have to include the units of measure. That's what's important about this section. So the answer is 85 kilograms. So if Michael weighs 187 pounds, that's the equivalent to 85 kilograms.